Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious sushi using quinoa. First, rinse 1 cup of quinoa very well under cold water to remove any saponin, which can taste bitter. Then, cook the quinoa with 1 3/4 cups of water until all the liquid is absorbed and it's light and fluffy. While still warm, gently fold in a mixture of rice vinegar, a small amount of sugar, and a pinch of salt to give it that classic sushi rice flavor. Now let's get rolling. Place a sheet of nori shiny side down on your bamboo rolling mat. Dampen your hands slightly to prevent sticking, then spread a thin, even layer of the seasoned quinoa over about 2/3 of the nori, leaving the top edge clear. Next, arrange your chosen fillings, such as sliced avocado, crisp cucumber, or shredded carrots, in a neat line across the quinoa. With your roll complete, it's time to slice it perfectly. Dip a very sharp knife in water before each cut to prevent the quinoa from sticking and ensure clean, precise slices. Carefully cut the roll into 6 to 8 equal pieces. This makes them easy to pick up and enjoy. Arrange your beautiful quinoa sushi on a platter and serve immediately with soy sauce, pickled ginger, and a dab of wasabi for an authentic experience. Here are a few final tips for your quinoa sushi adventure. Don't be afraid to experiment with various fillings. Try smoked salmon, tofu, or different vegetables to find your favorites. Remember to press the quinoa firmly onto the nori to create a tight, stable roll that won't fall apart when sliced. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener. Check the description below for a link to this and other great deals. Enjoy your healthy and delicious homemade quinoa sushi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.